Okay, so the engine's rebuilt, it's installed. This is going to be the first start. I've primed the fuel pump a couple times by turning the key on and off. So let's see how it starts. I have to say I'm quite happy with that. Alright, so I'm going to get the hood back on, put the wheels back on it, and take it for a ride. Alright, so I took the car for a ride, about 20 minutes, let it idle a little bit, and then let it cool off. Now I just retorqued the head bolts. Basically you just have to angle torque them 35 degrees more than they were. Just wanted to show you a little trick that I did on the head bolts here. I don't know if you can see that, but I punched them with a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And basically that's the torque pattern. And actually, if you look at them, you can see the way the numbers are now. That's from the initial torque. I torqued them initially, then I punched them. Then I did angle torque once, and then I just did the angle torque again after it's heated up. So, car runs great. So I'm going to go upload this. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.